Today, we are talking about something super important: how to maintain a neat, clean, and fresh appearance all day long. Let's be real, having a fresh and polished look can do wonders. It not only boosts your confidence, but also leaves a lasting impression on others. Whether you are heading to a job interview, meeting someone special, or just want to feel your best, looking sharp can make all the difference. Now, if you look fresh and fabulous in the morning, but by midday, the shine fades, your hair's out of place, or you just feel less put together. Sound familiar? Well, don't worry because I have got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to share my secret tips and tricks to keep you looking fresh and clean all day. Yes, it's possible. And trust me, these tips are simple, effective, and life-changing. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into the secrets of staying fresh, clean, and confident from morning to night. All right, let's get started. Tip number 1, personal hygiene. This is the foundation of looking fresh and clean. So let's start here. Shower. Take a shower every day or every other day. Showering not only helps you feel refreshed, but also removes dirt, oil, and sweat that can build up throughout the day. After your shower, don't forget to use a good body lotion. This is key to locking in moisture, preventing dryness and flakiness, and leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Plus, many body lotions have pleasant scents that add an extra touch of freshness. Hair care. Wash your hair every other day or as needed. Be careful not to overwash, as this can make your hair dry and frizzy. Always follow up with a conditioner to keep your hair soft and manageable. For extra shine and smoothness, treat your hair with a hair mask or deep conditioning treatment once or twice a week. And don't forget to get a regular trim every 6 weeks to keep your hair strong and healthy. Remember, even a simple outfit can stand out if your hair is on point. Tip number 2, body odor. Looking good is important, but smelling good is just as crucial. If you're wearing a beautiful outfit but have an unpleasant odor, it can leave a bad impression on others. Here's how to avoid that. If you shower regularly, body odor should not be a major concern. However, to stay on the safe side, always use a deodorant or a body mist. These not only help you feel fresh, but also add an extra layer of cleanliness to your overall vibe. Remember, even if you're dressed simply, smelling good can make people more likely to approach and interact with you. But don't go overboard with fragrances. Too much can be overwhelming and might not smell as nice. Use them moderately to enhance your freshness without overpowering the room. Tip number 3, facial hair maintenance. Timely removal of facial hair can make a big difference in achieving a polished and flawless look. Here's how. Upper lip hair. If you notice some fuzz or hair above your mouth, consider waxing or bleaching it to make it less noticeable. It's a quick way to keep your face looking neat and clean. Eyebrows. Well-groomed eyebrows frame your face beautifully and add a polished touch to your overall appearance. Regularly pluck or shape your eyebrows to maintain their definition. Nose hairs. If you notice any nose hairs sticking out, trim them. You only need to snip them once every couple of weeks. Don't overdo it if it's not necessary. Tip number 4, oral hygiene. A bright, clean smile can truly light up your face and make you look more approachable and friendly. Here's how to maintain excellent oral hygiene. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day, and don't forget to brush your tongue. This prevents bad breath and cavities. Mouthwash. Use an alcohol-free mouthwash before bed to keep your breath fresh and prevent any morning mouth odor. Teeth whitening. Consider using teeth whitening strips to brighten your smile. White teeth can make your face look more vibrant. Floss. Floss once a day to remove plaque, food, and debris from between your teeth. This not only keeps your teeth healthy, but also contributes to a cleaner overall look. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months to ensure it's effective at cleaning your teeth. Tip number 5, nail care. Well-maintained and clean nails give off a polished and put-together vibe. Here's how to achieve it. Avoid nail designs that are overly distracting or clash with your outfit or personal style. Instead, opt for timeless or subtle designs that enhance your natural beauty and convey elegance. Use pastel nail polish shades like light pink or soft nudes to achieve a clean appearance. Even your natural nails can look amazing when properly cared for. Keep them trimmed, filed, and free from dirt to maintain a neat appearance. Tip number 6, skincare. Clear, glowing, and healthy skin is essential for looking presentable and fresh. If your face looks dull, it can affect your entire appearance. Here's how to maintain great skin. If you don't have the time or products for a multi-step routine, stick to the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and use sunscreen in the morning. In the evening, cleanse and moisturize again. Treat your skin to a face mask or exfoliation session once or twice a week. This helps to remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and radiant. Tip number 7, facial spray. Carrying a facial spray in your bag can be a game changer, especially if you're outside for work, school, or other activities. Here's why. Facial sprays can provide a quick burst of hydration to refresh your skin in dry or hot environments. They can help set your makeup up and keep it looking fresh throughout the day. Look for sprays with ingredients like rose water, aloe vera, or hyaluronic acid for moisturizing and calming benefits. Tip number 8, makeup. Makeup can elevate your look, but to avoid a cakey finish, skin prep is essential. Start by cleansing your face, then use a hydrating sheet mask for a plump, radiant glow. Skip this step if you don't have one. Next, apply a moisturizer, followed by a primer to create a smooth, even base. Opt for lightweight products to achieve a natural, fresh appearance. A little concealer, BB cream, or a light foundation goes a long way. Add a swipe of mascara and a touch of lip gloss or tint. Heavy makeup can weigh down your skin and make it appear tired after hours of wear. A lighter approach feels breathable and requires fewer touch-ups throughout the day, keeping you looking refreshed for longer. Tip number 9, outfit. Your outfit plays a huge role in how fresh and put together you appear. Always wear clean and pressed outfits to ensure you look polished and neat. Wear outfits that make you feel comfortable. Avoid clothes that are too baggy or too tight. Instead, go for a balanced look, like pairing a baggy bottom with a fitted top. In the summer, light-colored clothing can reflect sunlight and help you stay cool. For a fresh and clean look, stick to neutral colors like white, beige, gray, and navy blue. These tones convey simplicity and elegance. Wear colors that you love and feel confident in. Your confidence will always enhance your overall appearance. Footwear. Choose footwear that not only complements your outfit, but also keeps you comfortable throughout the day. Remember, shoes are as noticeable as your outfit. If you're out for a long time and your shoes get dirty, carry a small brush or a soft cloth for a quick touch-up. Accessories. Elevate your look with minimal accessories. Avoid excessive or flashy jewelry. Simple, minimal accessories add timeless elegance and complement your style without overpowering it. Hairstyle. Opt for a simple yet well-groomed hairstyle that enhances your look with minimal fuss. Easy-to-manage styles not only save you time, but also stay neat and polished throughout the day. Tip number 10, stay fresh on the go. Want to look and feel fresh all day no matter where you are? Here are some essentials to carry in your bag to help you stay fresh and clean all day long. Lip gloss, check tint, wet wipes, mini deodorant, face powder or facial spray, mini comb, hand sanitizer. Hydration is key. Carry a water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day. Hydration from the inside out is the best way to keep your energy up and your skin glowing. Tip number 11, get enough sleep. If you don't get enough sleep, your body will show it. Lack of rest leads to dull skin, dark circles, and a tired complexion. Plus, it affects your mood and energy. Prioritize sleep each night to keep your skin glowing, your energy high, and your mood in check. Tip number 12, eat healthy. A balanced diet boosts your energy, well-being, and appearance. Feeling good on the inside makes you shine on the outside, leaving you vibrant and fresh. Remember, feeling clean and fresh doesn't just improve your appearance, it boosts your confidence and supports your health too. And there you have it, my ultimate guide to a neat, clean, and fresh appearance.